Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for home and decor business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you can start for free. So get started free. Now wait a few seconds till it takes you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard. Here you're gonna set up your website in the storefront. It will take you to the editor page. So here we're gonna design and customize and edit your website homepage. So click on the settings and go to the templates and select the templates you wanna use here. Okay, for the home and decor, it might be this template, this topic here of the home. Okay, so um, I'm gonna choose this template. Okay, so as you see here, the first thing here you have to do the header. Go to the header in the menu and change your site logo. Okay, type your site name. You can add the logo type as image if you want. Okay, let's go back. Here you can manage the navigation menu, the home and the store and the about section, the contact section if you want to add a menu item. That's it. Here in the design, so in the design of any section you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive to anyone can visit your homepage and attract to your business. So try your best. Don't forget the simple details like the site logo, uh, like the color, the font. Okay, you can add the frame outline. Okay, so for this layout it's simple and attractive for me. That's it. Let's go back. Let's move on to the next, the cover and the headline. The same thing as normal. Here you have to add the tagline, your title, an attractive description that matches with the title. So for example, you can type just a simple description here. For example, welcome to introduce your business. You can type this. Welcome to our site for home and decor, just like this. Okay. Now go to this design and add your favorite layout. Same thing in the background. And don't forget the simple details. That's it. Now let's go back and let's move on to the next. The same thing here. You have to change the title. If the title is much with your business, you can just skip this. You can just skip it as like this. The same thing with the description. If you want to change your image in image, just go to the browser or from your library and select from there and upload it from there. Okay, the same thing here, the same thing as normal. The subtitle and the description, the title, the same thing in the layout. Choose your favorite one. uh, so that's it, the same thing here, nothing special. Now let's move on to the next section. So here in the store section you have to create your own product. So go back to the dashboard, click here, add your products or services. Now click new products. So here add your products gallery, the name of your products, the REF, the weight on kilogram. Here you can customize the the prices options, and don't forget the description of your product. That's it. If you're done from here, go back to the editor and complete here the design of the store section, uh, the background and the title and the product name, the product image and the product price. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next, the cover image. So the same thing here. You can add a tagline, a simple title. For example, you can type furnishings, like this. Okay. An attractive description just like this, that match with the title. If you want to change the image just from the browser or from your library. Okay, so now go to the design and choose your favorite one. Don't forget the title. Okay, that's it. Now if you don't, go back. Let's move on to the customer reviews. So here you can add the review text, the author name, and the rating, as you like. The same thing in the design, choose your favorite one. Okay, just make sure it's match with your description and with your customer, with your reviews text. That's it. Let's move on now to the next section, the delivery information, the title and the subtitle and the description. The same thing as normal here, the layout. Let's go back. Let's move on now to the next. So the same thing here as normal, nothing special. You can choose your favorite layout. That's it. Let's go back. Let's move on to the contact section. So here you can, for example, use this description here: we are always happy to see you. Okay. And the image, you can change it. You can enter your business address, and you can enter your exact postal address or the plus code. Here you can add the daily hours, the contact information, the phone and the email, the social profiles, and here you can choose your favorite layout here. So that's it. Let's go back and let's move on to the footer. So here you can you have to enter your company name for the copyright. So that's it. If you want to add something, you just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. So that's it. If you're done from designing your website, just publish your website and now it will be published. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Ecwid for home and decor business. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.